Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable guest access in Moodle. Guest access in Moodle allows non-registered users to enter a course without creating an account. This can be used for open courses, sharing resources with a wider audience, or allowing prospective students to preview course content. Let's get started. Let's go through the steps to enable guest access. Log into your Moodle site and navigate to Site Administration. Plugins greater than authentication. Manage authentication. Set the guest login button to show if you want the button on the front page. And don't forget to scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Now that guest access is enabled, we can allow guests to preview the course content. Navigate to the course and click on the Participants page. Select Enrollment Method from the drop-down menu. From the Add Method drop-down menu, select Guest Access. In the Guest Access settings, set Allow Guest Access to Yes. Open means it is enabled. Optionally, set a password for guest access. Click Save Changes to save your settings. Now that guest access is enabled, let's see what a guest user will experience. When a guest navigates to the login page, they will see an Access as Guest button. Clicking on Access as Guest button will grant them access to the course content without needing a username or password. That's it. You've successfully enabled guest access for your Moodle course. This feature can be very helpful for providing open access to course materials and allowing prospective students to get a glimpse of your course content. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.